Welcome to Ample Blaze's video tutorial. This is going to be an updated video tutorial since our last video in regards to Google Drive and the syncing issues that Google Drive has. Sometimes the files don't sync and you're using the one same Google Drive across multiple computers, and let's say you upload files or folders on one computer but the other computer doesn't see it. Now, there was, in our last video, we were talking about putting everything onto the shared drives. And then in the shared drives, you could basically bulletproof it and make sure that everything works. But since my last video, I've had a Ample Blaze client come and actually have the same syncing issues occur in the shared drive. Now, I did reach out to Google again, and this time I spoke to one of the more higher ups, maybe a level 2 or a level 3 at Google, and they showed us some hidden features in Google Drive. Now, instead of doing all the technical stuff that you usually do to uninstall, reinstall, reboot machine, and all that fun stuff, what you need to do is, if you're on the computer that does not see the files, so Johnny sees the files but you don't, go to the area that you've got that folder or files missing, and let's say it's in my Ample Blaze pictures. There's nothing missing in here, but let's say there was something missing. I would go back to the top level of the folder, and here is where you've got to press shift on your keyboard and then right click, and then you get, on Windows 11 you get this menu. On Windows 10 you'll get the actual menu, which you can see on Windows 11 when you click show more options. Click on show more options and you get a massive list come up. Now you've got a bunch of options here for Google Drive. What you need to do is click on refresh folder. Refresh folder will basically sync that folder separately again, and then it should be like 1 or 2 seconds really. You can come down to your icon down the bottom and see things sync. Okay, it should disappear after 2 seconds. Once it's all synced up, come back in and you should see all the content that you have. This was what was advised, so I do recommend this solution for the syncing issues. So if you have any questions, by all means get in touch with us at info@ampleblaze.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. It does help a lot. Thank you for watching.